What is up, YouTube gang? It's your girl, Antoinette Marie TV. Back with your girl, Antoinette Marie. And today's video is just going to be a quick DIY fun project that I am doing. It can also be done as a gift from a daughter to a mom or a kid to their parent, grandparents, stuff like that. It's very easy, very simple, very crafty, very cute. Now what I did was I purchased a pack of the paintbrushes from the Dollar Tree. The color is pink, so I kind of purchased this little glass jar and I got it in pink. Again, this was from the Dollar Tree as well. I purchased some Mod Podge. Now, this is the paper that you use in a gift wrap. So I'm going to use this as well. There's a whole bunch of different colors. I decided to use green, yellow, and blue. I already have them cut up into little pieces on how I wanted them to look, or the size that I wanted them to be. I also purchased just some cute little Dollar Tree flowers, which are plastic little flowers. It says these are poppies right here. And of course, these were $1 at the Dollar Tree. And these are petunias. Eventually, after I'm done doing the vase, so it will come out to be a cute little DIY project. But let me get my spiel in. Y'all know how I do this. What is good? If you are already part of the Liger gang, what up, though? What's up, though? And if it's your first time coming to see one of my videos, I don't know what you're waiting for. You ain't hit the subscribe button yet? Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you be notified when your girl drop another video. And if this is your first time coming, hello, welcome. Stop by and check out a couple of my videos. And if you like the content, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So I'm going to switch you over to a different camera angle so I can get everything into place. Okay, so I got, where's my earbuds up? So I got halfway up the bottom. And I decided to add pink as well. So I'm just adding the shadow. And then I'm kind of just like going over the edges so it really stick down. Like so. And this is what it looks like. You'll see it when it dries, it'll be pretty. Okay, so I am finished with my gluing the paper on. I'm just going to try to pick it up and show it to you. It has to dry, so I'm going to finish it once it dries, but this is the finished product, and it is just, here, let me go ahead under the bottom. So this is what it looks like. Try to spin it around. Okay. Now at the top, it does look like it's nothing up there, but again, I used pink paper at the top. So this is what it looks like. And I'll show you what it looks like once it's dry and there's not all this white stuff on top. So when I come back, I'll show you the finished thing. Stay tuned. Okay, so I let it cool. I let it dry for about a cool 2 hours, and this is the outcome. Look fancy, fancy. I'll show you up close. I'll take the rest of that off. And then we've got our flowers. So I'll just stick those down in there. Or you can do real roses, if that's what your heart content for, is real roses. Let me fix these up a little. And voila. It's a lot of the little limbs. We can pull them and, you know, pull them down, kind of decorate them up. But this is the finished product. Great Mother's Day gift, Grandparents' Day gift, all sorts of stuff. And this is what it looks like. So, if you thought this idea was cute, cool, or inexpensively, go ahead and like this video, thumbs this video up. Show some love in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, and of course, thanks for watching. Bye.